Alright, I think my plan of action here is to pick it up and flip it. To do that, I need to know which way it's going. A lot of humidity in the top of the barrel. Okay, let's take a peek. I am zipped up and suit tight. Don't know what was in the barrel. The colony is healthy and active. Heating up my knife. It's mostly capped honey. This comb feels very brittle. Like it's very old. Next one is beginning of brood. I've got about only 6 inches I can take. So I'm going to cut through the honey, take the brood, there's half-built queen cells everywhere. Some drone. Is that a queen emerging? Oh my, let's get a video of this. Okay, right there. I don't know if you can focus. A little closer. It's fuzzy, I know, but I think that's a queen emerging. Or she might be already dead and stung, and that's just the body. This is going to take the swarm impulse out of their system. more honey. My God, is that another queen coming out? Check that out. Small piece of comb. Honeycomb, that is. Whoa, whole barrel shifted. Alright, let's cut that in half. Manage it. No brood, it is honey, my friend, honey. Alright, we're going to start from the front next, because the queen should be driven back by the intruder towards the center. And if we do both sides, I have read, it should be forced to the middle. That's some beautiful capped honey. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Rewards of robbing the bees. Okay, now it's time to do the other side. Put it in the melting tin. Hope we're not too close. So far, I think they've stung my glove once. And they don't follow me very far, so I like these bees. I have high hopes. They seem pleasant enough. Alright, some honey, some wax, and some honey, some pollen. Do not jostle the hive, McCartney. That was brilliant. Should have been expecting that. Alright, so honey stores to the outside is typical. Typical hive design. This one has capped honey